Hi, I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. And I was asked this question a little while ago. Teddy, how do I change the default email account on my cell phone, my iPhone, so that it uses a different primary email account when I send new emails from various places from within the iPhone or apps on the iPhone? And before I show you how to do this, hit that subscribe button because I have a whole lot more content coming out on using Google Workspace and Gmail, and I create this just for you. So on my cell phone, you can see that I have right here, I have TL Burris, that's my primary business. NC Wiseman is my primary non-voluntary work. NC Wise Guy is an account that I'm pretty much getting rid of. But I also have a score account because I'm a score mentor. Now, so I have 4 different primary accounts. Now, how do I decide which one is the primary one to send a message in the event I am somewhere within the system? Maybe I'm in Google Chrome and, I find something I want to share with somebody, maybe if at this restaurant, and if I hit the share button up top here and I want to send it via mail, what's the primary email account it's going to use when I send it via mail? So let me show you how to make that setting. So I've come out of this and I go to settings, right here, settings. In settings, go to mail. And in mail, you'll see there's a lot of options here, including the 5 accounts I have set up, and message list presentation, messages activity, threading, whether I'm using threading or not, and all the way at the bottom, default account. So when I click on default account, it lets me choose the 4 accounts. It says I have 5, but it only shows 4. Maybe Apple Mail is one of them. I'm not sure. But then here's the 4 accounts, and I can choose which of these accounts I want to be the primary email account or default email account when I'm sending messages from various places off of the iPhone device so that it uses the account I want it to use. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.